This is the setup on which I will tell you how to configure MPLS on any Cisco router. These are the steps which you have to follow in order to configure MPLS on Cisco router. So this is a test scenario on which we will configure, and we will try to test whether whatever you have configured is working properly or not. So the steps which you have to do, the step 1, you have to configure one IGP. IGP may be RIP or space VIGRP, but in this case we are taking RIP as an IGP protocol. In the second step we are running IBGP between these router. In the third step we are configure MPBGP, and in the fourth step we are creating one VRF and RD. All those things I will not tell in detail, because I am quite aware that you are quite aware of all those things which I have mentioned here. So I am taking I'm just doing the practicals implications of these things steps, and let you know how you can do it practically. If you want to know about the theoretical thing, you can just ask me by writing on Gmail account, or the account which I have already. If you don't know my account, you can just note it down. That is anand@anandnetwork.com, and I am also available on Facebook account also. So if you have any queries relating to this, there are some limitations of the video. The limitations is that I cannot upload a huge big video on the YouTube, because they have prohibited the volume of that video. So limitations is there. So in that, to maintain that limitations, I have already make my lab setup ready. I will just show you the test result. But if you are not satisfied with all those whatever I am doing, you can certainly ask the questions on my website, and I will, if you have any queries, then you can ask, and I will try to respond on that. Gmail account I have already told you, and I am also available on Facebook account also. So then the last step, we will try to ping this MPLS IP. Now just check the configurations which I have done in this router. This is the R1 router. In the R1 router, I have just configured the RIP protocol. This is router RIP version 2, network 1.1.1.0. This is the 1.1.1.0. In the same way, this is 3.3.0.0. We have configured IBGP, that is BGP, the AS number is 1. We have configured MPBGP, that is VPN v4, and I have created one VRF by the name of Abhi, and I have configured one loopback, and loopback is 980, and on this loopback 980 we have assigned the VRF Abhi, so that this loopback will come into this IP should come into this VRF. In the same way, we have configured R2, and when you see the so IP root VRF Abhi, you see the roots of R1, that is 100.100.100.1, which has been configured on this router, that is R1, is propagating to R2. It means our MPLS is working fine. In the same way, we have configured one loopback here. If you want to see the loopback, you just type the command show IP VRF Abhi. The loopback is 919. Let's check the IPs of 919, that is 10.10.10.1. so if your MPLS cloud is working fine, this IP will come here, that is 10.10.10.1. this is coming via 1.1.1.2. what is 1.1.1.2? if you check, this is coming via this interface. This interface means this point to point link. So if I will try to ping VRF Abhi, and the WAN IP of that segment, it is ping. So it means that your MPLS cloud is working fine. In the same way, if you are trying to ping this IP, that is 100.100.100.1, which has been configured on R1, let's just by pinging this IP. It is also pinging. It means your MPLS cloud is perfectly working fine. So if you have any query relating to related to this configurations or whatever I have told you in this video, you can certainly come and ask me through mail, or you can write me on Gmail account. You can come on Facebook, you can come on Twitter, you can just post any comment on my anandnetwork.com site, and I will revert certainly. I will certainly revert. This is my promise to you. Okay, thanks, best of luck, and keep watching my video for the future. Thank you.